Hello everyone, Omar here with the new MT5 system. You can see that the system is exact replica of our MT4 system, right? The Renko's same exact shift, same exact box size, and we also have the EA for it as well, CTS7 EA. So I'll go over the settings real quick of the EA. You can see here the magic number is first thing. If you don't know what the magic number is, you don't have to worry about it. This is only for the people who know about EAs and they need to use this, then you use this, right? So, but this is not an important setting. For trade settings, we have enable auto trading, true or false. So this is simple, right? If you want the EA to open trades or not, you either put it true or false. You just double click and it'll go false, double click, it'll go true. Okay. And then if it is true, then you can set your lot size, take profit, stop loss, break even, right? Take profit, stop loss, break even are all in pips. And for break even, if you want to use it, you put a number here. If you don't want to use it, set it to 0 and it will disable the break even. Okay. And then you also have the enable alerts, which is basically the same pop-up in MT4, right? Little window, and it tells you long setup on whatever pair, and it will give a little beeping sound. And then push notifications. I have this in the EA. It's not set up properly yet, but I'm gonna finalize this as well. So it will be basically just notification to your phone, right? You have to have MT5 on your phone, and it will be a basically like a notification to your phone, right? So that's for the EA, right? I'll obviously be upgrading it over time, just like we did with the MT4 system. But for now, this is enough. The Renko candles here, I'll quickly show you how to actually open the chart. Um, in MT5, there is no such thing as an offline chart. There are just custom symbols. And when it comes to actually trading them, it's a little bit weird, right? I'll explain how. But to open these charts, you'll choose a symbol, right? Pound USD. Let me move these. Okay, here's pound USD, right? You'll change it to a 1 minute chart. And then this is the Renko chart builder here. Just drag and drop. Okay. And you can see the settings, all the settings here. All right. So show wicks, keep it true, right? Wicks are important. Starting price, keep it 0. Time frame, 1 minute. Suffix space, leave this how it is because the way that I have the EA set up, this needs to be like this, okay? And then with this, you can open 3 different charts. So you can see you have enable chart 1, enable chart 2, enable chart 3. So for example, we have these 2 false. I'm just going to show you how to open one chart. Which you can see enable chart 1, you set it to true. You choose your box size. So like a 7-minute chart. Shifts, we use 20. We've been using 20. So keep it 20. And max bars 5,000 and then auto open chart. Keep it true. And with that, as soon as you click OK, it will open the chart. All right, so I'll click OK. Boom. Chart's automatically open. And then just apply the template. Boom. Template's applied, and here's your chart. Right? Pound USD. So in this in MT5, right? For example, you can see I have 2 trades open, right? Your USD pound yen, whatever, random trades. I just put the EA on just to see it, how it works and this and that. But if you go to the Renko chart, you don't see any trade open here, right? There's nothing here. Because in MT5, like I said, there's no offline charts. These are custom symbols. Custom symbols means this is basically like a different instrument, right? The way that oh yeah, the buy setup on. So this is how the pop-up alert works, right? Just buy setup on CAD. I have the voice muted, so that's why you didn't hear anything. But then it will give a beeping sound as well, right? So that's that. But what I was saying is like in MT5, it reads this as like a different instrument. It does not read this as pound yen. And there's no like bid or ask for this instrument, right? So you can't even, for example, there's no buy or sell button on the chart right now. It can't buy or sell because this is not an actual instrument in the market watch. what you have to do, and what the EA does automatically, is whatever chart you open, the setup it reads on that chart, right? But then it opens it on the actual pound yen chart. Okay. So this setup, I believe, was this one right here, right? Obviously, this is just I just made this account just to like test it, right? It's not a real account, but you can see we have this long setup here. You see this little arrow here as well. I've added this, so like I said, you can't see the orders on the regular chart or on the Renko chart. So I added an arrow here so you know, okay, a trade was opened here, right? So this was a setup, and this is where it the pound yen chart. This is where it opened, right? So that's how that works. Break even, everything, it does it on the regular chart. You don't see anything on the Renko chart. Okay. There's no workaround as of now. Maybe MT5 updates in the future. But as of right now, this is a custom symbol and this is how it works. Okay. But it's working. It's opening the same exact trades as our MT4 system. That's all that matters. All right. So that's it for now. I'm gonna finalize this and maybe in the next, hopefully within the next 24 hours, it will be on the website. And I'm gonna make like a tutorial video on how to actually properly set up everything in your MT5, how to import it, just like we have for MT4. And it will be on the website in the My Renko System page. So if you go here to this page, you're already on it. We have the MT4 system, right? So same thing, 6 month, 1 month, 12 month, or lifetime for MT4. We've had the new Ninja Trader system as well. So Ninja Trader, same thing, 6 month, monthly, 12 month, lifetime. And then I'll add the MT5 system here as well, right? I'm gonna have the MT5 system above the Ninja Trader system, below the MT4 system, right? In the middle of this. Okay. So once that is out, I said this in a previous email. The lifetime premium membership will no longer be available anymore. Today is what is today? Today's Thursday. So until Sunday, this will stay, and after Sunday midnight, it's gone. All right, it's not gonna come back. And right now it is on sale. So if you want to take advantage of it, take advantage of it. Lifetime premium members get this MT5 system for free, obviously. And after that, no more lifetime premium. There will be lifetime still, right? But again, lifetime is only for specifically, for example, we have Ninja Trader lifetime membership is only for Ninja Trader stuff, right? Ninja Trader EA, indicators, updates to the Ninja Trader system. This is for that specifically. Same thing with the MT4 lifetime membership. This is only for MT4. But the lifetime premium, any current or future products or service that we offer, you guys get. So it's on sale right now. If you want to get it, go ahead. So that's for now. If you do have any questions, email me as usual, myforexmagicwave@gmail.com. And like I said, hopefully within the next 24 hours, this should be on the website. So keep an eye out for that. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.